Forget about habitable planets and alien civilizations being mere fantasies and part of science fiction, because soon, as early as mid-July 2022, exoplanets that sustain life will become a subject discussed in the news. TV reality shows will be formulated around new discoveries light years away from Earth. The great official question is no longer, are we alone? But rather, how soon can we communicate with our newly discovered extraterrestrial neighbors? And are they advanced enough to receive our signals? Stay tuned to learn how the human civilization is about to change forever. All because of the new $10 billion, super advanced James Webb Space Telescope, Webb for short. Are you ready for the shock of your life? Let's go. We are not alone. For thousands of years, humans gazed at the night skies, counted and charted stars, worshipped planets and the sun, and left secret-coded messages that hint at the existence of aliens who visited Earth and were worshipped as gods. They constructed marvels that defy old and even new technologies. They used symmetry even modern engineers struggle to implement in their modern projects. The ancient enigmatic structures we see today, from the Nazca Lines and the jigsaw puzzle of the Susquehannon to the Teotihuacan City of the Gods, and the magnificent ancient pyramids of Egypt, and the many other majestic, mind-boggling constructions by the ancients that falls between, all leaves us mystified, intrigued, and curious, often left with more questions than answers. As for those who claim they figured them out, officially, they admit their theories are mere speculations. But what about the face of Mars and the perfectly beautiful pyramid that magically assembled itself on Mars, as scientists speculate? And as of recently, the discovery by NASA's Curiosity rover of an unusual rock structure that seems like, well, actually it is, a nicely carved door that ironically resembles the doors of tombs from the Pharaoh's era. The talk about aliens and alien civilizations is no longer the talk of conspiracy theories and the alleged paranoid. It is now an official discussion involving high-ranking elected government officials and the best experts Oxford and Harvard can produce. Just a few weeks ago, the Pentagon declassified sensitive UFO videos to clear up any misconceptions by the public on whether or not the footage that has been circulating for years was real. The footage, which shows unidentified objects flying at high speeds in the Earth's atmosphere, along with audio of Navy pilots expressing shock and awe, was leaked in 2007 and 2017. And by the way, the objects are still considered UFOs by the Pentagon. Add to that the fact that just last year, the US Navy formalized a reporting process for pilots to report UFO sightings. The Pentagon and the USA government are vaguely saying something important, and it's all happening before the James Webb Telescope begins transmitting on July 12th of this year. They are saying, prepare for official recognition of the existence of life and even advanced civilizations in our galaxy light years away. And we suspect they are already here doing reconnaissance. The Webb Telescope will deliver the answers, and we can only cross our fingers and hope that the fraternities of Big Brother and All-Seeing Eye will not interfere with the truth and classify Webb's discoveries of life-sustaining planets and alien civilizations. Let's hope that they do understand that humanity, and not just Elon Musk, needs this truth and new reality. The Kepler telescope already confirmed that a very large number of exoplanets that orbit suns like ours exists close to us in our Milky Way galaxy. Indeed, Earth-like planets are very common across the universe. The Kepler telescope had limited capabilities, but soon, the monster of all telescopes, Webb, will zoom in on exoplanets like Gliese 667cc, Kepler 22b, Kepler 69c, Kepler 62f, Kepler 1649c, and so many more. However, the most awaited results from Webb are details of the closest of them all, Proxima Centauri b, a mere 4 light-years from Earth, and K2-18b, the most likely to have water, landmass, and the right temperature to sustain life. James Webb is designed in part to analyze and decipher Earth-like exoplanets. It can zero in on a distant planet and detect signatures of atmospheric composition, oxygen, water, landmass, and even temperature with great detail. That fact, combined with the recent rising of official chatter about UFOs by the Pentagon, governments, and the mainstream media, along with the unprecedented buzz among scientists, are all strong signals that humanity must prepare to accept that we are not alone. Alien civilizations exist, and some are technologically advanced and are already here among us. Thank you for watching. Giving a thumbs up would really help the algorithm make our channel grow to a wider audience. If you like our content, make sure to subscribe, as we love making content for free about awesome space discoveries and mysteries. It is the best way to support us. We post awesome, interesting facts every other day, so make sure to check out the rest of the videos uploaded on our channel regularly. See you in the next one.